Hello, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This reading is for the zodiac sign Aquarius for the second half of December 2021, from 15th of December 2021 to 31st of December 2021. It's a situationship reading. It may resonate with you. It may not resonate with you. Take it however it resonates with you. Let's see. It's a situationship reading. Let's see. Okay. Second half of December for Aquarius. Let's see. Okay, Aquarius, the second half of December will be, you are, converting. If you convert your passion into profession, that will be really helpful for you. You are going to be very creative, or you will be thinking very creatively in the second half of December 2021. You are transforming yourself within yourself. A lot of things are happening. Your perspective is changing, your thought process is changing, the way you live is changing, your perception level is changing. So a lot of transformation is happening within you. You might be getting weird feelings, weird situations, weird life lessons, or you are feeling something weird. That's the situation I'm getting. You are transforming from your inner self. You are reaching to an ascendant level of a spiritual awakening, which is very good. You also feel that things are slowing down. There are delays happening in your situation. If you were doing some sort of project, if you were having some work, a lot of delays are happening in your career life or in your relationship. The things are going very slow, okay, or it is getting delayed. It's not happening on time. That's the situation I'm getting. I can also see that there's endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. So if you are dealing with any karmic issues, karmic people, karmic situations, sneaky energy, manipulative energy, negative energy, those things are coming to an end, and new beginnings are on the horizon for you from January 2022, which is very good. So endings are happening in the month of December, and new beginnings are happening in the month of January 2022, which is very good. I can also see that you're concerned about money, or you're also thinking that how to earn money from 360-degree, multiple sources, multiple incomes, how to get multiple incomes, or how to double your income. So you are really thinking about it in a very broader level, okay? I can also see that you are stuck with manipulative people, negative people, sneaky energy, and you just wish to stay away from toxic people, toxic situations, and but you are stuck. You are feeling stuck. You are. I think you are dealing with some karmic relationships around you. Okay, and that's why you are feeling stuck into a situation, and that's how your transformation is happening here. Okay, like stuckness into the with the people around you when you are dealing with the karmic connections, and the transformation is happening because of that. Okay, so I can see that there is always a reason why things happen with us. So you're when you're stuck with karmic issues, karmic people, or karmic situations, or karmic relationship, then transformation is taking place for you, and transformation is happening right now. I can see that. um, there is also sneaky, there are people who are taking advantage of you, or are using you, or are possessive of you, or are taking advantage of you. There are sneaky energy, manipulative energy, and manipulative situations are there. You are feeling very unhappy into a situation, very 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 unhappy into a situation. You are not really happy. You are feeling very unhappy into a situation. Very, very sad, very depressed. That's how it is. So yeah, very, very, very unhappy into a situation. What universe has to say? Universal messages for you. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So the universal messages. Thank you, universe, for helping me and see beyond the limits of fear. Thank you for expanding my perceptions so that I can see what is of the good, highest good. Okay. The second universal message for you, Aquarius, is the universe works fast when I'm having fun. Wow, so stay happy. The third universal message is the moment I embrace my peace within and surrender the outcome is the moment that the universe can truly get to work. The fourth message, when I am connected to my joyful presence, I attract support from the universe. Fifth message, my outer experiences are a reflection of my internal conditions. And definitely whenever we experience and when we go through certain life lessons, our transformation, our life changes, our perception level changes, which is a huge thing. These are all the life lessons, experiences, that is what we are having. Okay, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Wishing you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. May God bless you and may you achieve lots of success and happiness in life. Bye bye, take care, guys.